Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? What's going on? Today video is going to be very important and very special for all Digibyte holder, because my friend, in last 24 hours the price will pumps up. So first of all, congratulations, that's a very good news. To after a very long time Digibyte will pumps up. Yes, you can see, my friend, in last 3 days, my friend, you can see here in last 24 hours they will get a profit. But my friend, in last you can see here this from September, yes my friend, you can sorry in last 24 hours you can see here they will price will be increased. But my friend, if we check out, so in last 3 days, my friend, the price will very badly fell down. Let's see, my friend, you can see here, my friend, this time absolutely, as you can see here, minus 7.98% they will decrease now. So therefore, my friend, I will notify you to after this fails they will also take a very huge jump, because in last 24 hours the price will pumps up, the price will increase. So therefore, Digibyte holder, please congratulations, they will get a profit, and I hope, my friends, the price will more increase in upcoming days. So therefore, that's clear, to Digibyte will pumps up and they will give you a very good profit. So what's the reason, my friends, to holder are starting selling in those days? The one reason, my friend, which I found is that clear, my friends, to Digibyte, one of the fastest cryptocurrency. So when they will fails down, so definitely very badly. So therefore, I will notify you to if they will fails down also, my friends, so they cannot, my friends, very badly fails down. I hope, my friends, you will better understand. So kindly, if you want to get a profit, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.